Elliott is pleased to introduce its new 4480 series single roll beading expander to the fire tube boiler market. With the air hammer and beading tool method, the operator must perform 3 operations of rolling, hand beating, and re-rolling. Not only is this time-consuming, but there is the risk of doing the job wrong, which can mean extra time and money to correct the problem. Elliott's single roll beading expander is much quieter and easier on the operator's body compared to the manual method. In fact, one customer even said that the air hammer makes his hand numb and tired after only 3 tubes. Instead, he could use the Elliott roll beading expander all day and would be able to sleep at night after a day's work. While pneumatic rolling motors are typically required, in some applications, standard electric rolling motors provide sufficient torque to expand and bead the tube. Dual roll expanders require a much larger electric rolling motor. Whereas the air hammer and beading tool method takes 3 separate operations to bead the tube, Elliott's single roll beading expander provides for quick tube beading in 1 operation. The 4480 series beading expanders produce a bead that is tight to the tube sheet to ensure for positive sealing. Even this feeler gauge can't slip through. The Elliott roll beading expanders produce a very smooth bead to tube sheet transition as compared to the competition, which has an edge on the bead. In a side-by-side test, a user of the competition's beading expander agreed that the Elliott expander clearly provided for a smoother bead. The smooth bead means a longer-lasting tube that will need to be replaced less. Elliott's single roll beading expanders are available in 3 different sizes to suit your application needs: 2, 2.5, and 3-inch outside diameter. The roll beading expanders are easily adapted to other tube gauges of the same tube OD by simply changing the bead and guide rolls. One customer enjoyed significant labor savings as compared to using an air hammer with beading tool. Additionally, the smooth bead to tube sheet transition allows them to do the best quality work for their customers. For more information on the single roll beading expander, contact us at Elliott Tool Technologies or your local representative.